I think it's oregano because it's used in cooking and it smells like a spice. Okay, no.
Yeah, I think too. Do you want to smell it too?
This smells spicy to you.
It's fine, I think.
You think it's fine?
Oh no, oregano.
I think it's oregano.
Yeah.
Me too.
Does anyone want to test them and check them out to see if they're...
I remember what it was.
I can help you. No? Please. One more. That's right.
I know that in Romanian, but I don't know that in English.
So we're sharing number 2, number 5,
Wait, just you can see on the poster display.
So that they can get safe to the water, and you know that they swim with the baby.
It's not necessary exact to do some eco activities, you know, in general. But for example, if your parents offer you to go by airplane to somewhere far away, what will be your reaction? Are you going to convince them